Hi, I'm Marty Rothwell, and welcome to the Honors section of Engineering 107. You may know that this class is going to be totally online, which is also, too, the class is going to be totally asynchronous, meaning that you don't even have to show up, any Zoom meetings on Tuesdays and Thursdays or whenever our class time met. The class is totally asynchronous, meaning that you can log on anytime you want and start doing the lectures and the assignments and all of that good stuff. So let's go through how we're going to run this course. So when you go on Blackboard, everything is on Blackboard. So when you go on Blackboard, if you want, you can look at our syllabus, download it. Again, I'm just going to say the syllabus is a general guide. I would not I would not count on every single day we're going to do that particular thing. Since it's online, we kind of have to just take things as they go. But this will give you a general introduction as to where we're going to be going in the course. Okay, so to go to your lessons, you go to Course Content. When you do, you'll see a folder, and it'll say Week 1. Week 1 is on engineering terms. So we click on that, and there are 4 lectures here. Notice that 2 of them are lecture 1, 1A, 1B. First one's on space, the next one's on time. Each lecture will have a PowerPoint. So download the PowerPoint and go through it. There's an audio section in it, so you just hit space bar each time you want to go to the next screen. There's also a handout for the lecture. So you can either review the lecture as you're going or pull the handout down later and review it after you've gone through the PowerPoint any way you want to. Anyway, so lecture 1 is on space, lecture 2 is on time. Notice on lecture 1B, when you have reviewed the lectures on space and time, you can go to the assignments folder, click on the engineering terms folder, and take the space-time quiz. So let's go over to the assignments folder. There's the engineering terms folder. We click on it, and there's the space-time quiz. So when you have finished with the first 2 lectures, you're free to go ahead and do the quiz on space-time. By the same token, going back to course content, then the next 2 lectures are on mass and energy. Same thing. Pull down the PowerPoint, go through the PowerPoint, review the handouts just so that you can kind of get a refresher on things, and your handouts are always there so you can always review your notes. Same thing, when you've reviewed the 2 lectures, mass and energy, you can go to the engineering terms folder, take the quiz on mass energy. There are also some additional resources. As I go through these lectures, I'm going to be filling out a chart that will help you understand how all of these terms in engineering come from space, time, mass, and energy. So as I do it, I will keep filling out this chart. If you wanted a blank version of the chart, you can download that. And then as you go through the chart, you can fill out those parts yourself. This helps a lot of people retain, and understand better. So feel free to pull this down and write down as fill out the chart as you go through the 4 lectures. If you want to compare your chart to the completed chart is right here as well. So all of this is here for you for week 1. And then, of course, as we go through it, week 2, on Monday, the week 2 folder will show up. And again, you go through the lectures or activities, ask what they do. Then in assignments, you will turn in whatever that is. It may be a quiz, it may be a handout that you turn in, it may be some problems that you solve. It can be lots of different things. You will be learning a CAD program in this course. It's called Onshape. Alex is our TA, and he's going to go through how to learn Onshape. So he will be about week 3, I suppose. And you'll be doing then you'll be turning in your CAD drawings and stuff like that. So that's how it's going to go. One thing we are going to have we are not going to have any final exams, but instead we're going to have a project. And I'll just kind of too early to go into the project right now, but around the mid part of the semester I will tell you what the project will be all about. Okay, and that's pretty much how the classes are going to go. So that's how we're going to run this. Each week there's going to be a folder for you. Inside the folders there's activities and lessons and PowerPoints. Do those. Turn them in under the assignments section, and that's pretty much it. So if you have any question, again, in the syllabus there's my email address. My email is mrothwell@gmu.edu. Feel free to ask me any questions you have, and I'll probably answer them the same day. And other than that, I'm looking forward to having a great semester with you, and I think we'll have a great time. Okay? See you soon. Bye-bye.